If fighting the victory. Sun Tzu said that. And knows a little more about fighting than you do, pal, because he invented it.
And then he perfected it.
Best now. Maggots! Order! Go! Then he used his fight money to buy 2 of every.
Sentry up there!
And from that day forward, anytime a bunch of animals are together in one place, it's called.
So